Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create and conduct customer satisfaction surveys right inside HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to gather direct feedback from your customers, spot trends in satisfaction, and use those insights to power real improvements in your business. Let's get started. First up, we need to create our survey. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and from the main dashboard, head to Service, then Feedback Surveys. This is your home base for all things customer feedback. Look for the Create Survey button in the upper right corner and give that a click. HubSpot offers a few survey types, but for customer satisfaction, hover over the Customer Satisfaction card and select Create Survey. You'll be prompted to choose how you want the survey delivered. This part is important because your customers interact with you in different channels, and tailoring delivery to their habits can really boost your response rate. If you pick email, the survey gets embedded in an email and sent straight to your contacts, perfect for capturing feedback after a support interaction or purchase. The web page option pops up your survey on specific pages, great if you want feedback from website visitors, but keep in mind you'll need HubSpot's tracking code installed. There's also a shareable link, useful for dropping surveys in newsletters or live chats, or even on social media. And lastly, chat lets you send the survey right inside a chat conversation, which is fantastic for closing the loop after customer support chats. Don't rush this choice. Think about where your customers are most likely to engage. Once you've decided on delivery, give your survey a name using the pencil icon at the top. This is just for you, so make it something descriptive like Post-Purchase Satisfaction June 2024, so you can spot it easily later. Next, we customize the survey questions and design. In the Survey or Position tab, you'll have the chance to write your main question like, how satisfied are you with your recent experience? For web surveys, HubSpot lets you pick where the survey will show up. Slide in boxes, drop down banners, and so on. Play around with these until you find what feels right for your audience. In the Feedback tab, customize the rating scale. You can choose classic 1 to 5 stars, or opt for more visual icons like happy, neutral, and unhappy faces, which tend to be a bit more inviting. Here's a tip. Add follow-up questions depending on the score your customer gives you. For example, if someone selects an unhappy rating, ask them what could have been better. That context is where the real gold is. In the Thank You tab, craft a friendly thank you message. Something simple, positive, and maybe with a little personality. Don't skip the Theme section. This is where you match survey colors, branding, and any images to your company's look and feel. It's a small detail, but consistent branding builds trust, even in surveys. Now, let's configure who gets the survey and when. Each survey type has tabs like Audience, Recipients, or Targeting, which let you fine-tune your recipients. Use contact properties, active lists, or events, like when someone becomes a customer, to zero in on your audience. You can control when it goes out, right after a support ticket closes, after a set delay, or even on a recurring schedule. For web surveys, you can specify which pages to show the survey and set up triggers, maybe after 5 seconds or when a user looks like they're about to leave. Think like your customer here and use triggers that feel natural. Last, but not least, automation and publishing. In the Automation tab, you can set up notifications for you or your team when new responses come in. If you have HubSpot Professional or Enterprise, you can build workflows based on responses, like creating support tickets for unhappy customers or sending personalized thank you messages. These steps are a bit like having a super responsive assistant quietly working in the background. Before you publish, definitely preview your survey. Make sure it looks good on desktop and mobile. Sometimes little visual glitches can throw off your respondents. When it's ready, hit publish and your survey will go live. Just like that, you're in business and collecting actionable feedback. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, please tap the like button. And if you have any questions about HubSpot surveys, drop them in the comments below. I respond to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Good luck gathering your customer feedback, and I'll see you in the next video.